Beautiful babes, wake up. Sweet Angel here. Y'all know you gotta wake up to check out this amazing, I don't even know, I may have done this one before, but y'all, it's so good to me that I got to share it again. Listen, I hope you're having a beautiful day, and if you are, show me some love by subscribing to the channel and hitting that post notification bell and spam in the comments and tell me something amazing. If you don't have anything to say, go ahead and drop some hearts down below. Yes, hearts. I love hearts. I do. So beautiful babes, I'm not going to delay this because you need to know what it's all about, because you got to get busy with it. Yes, you do. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I am so excited to share this one with y'all. I'm looking at these ingredients and I'm like, amazing stuff. All of this stuff is amazing. Wow. It's a skin tightening anti-aging oil. I don't even know where to begin. I don't even know where to begin with this, because it's truly magnificent. Oh my God, it's gonna do that? Oh my gosh, this is an amazing recipe. I wanna highlight this particular oil right here. This is Neroli. This is Neroli essential oil. Beautiful babes, this oil right here, oh my goodness, Neroli is one of the most expensive essential oils you'll find. I picked mine up through Amazon, of course, but let me tell you, this oil is extracted by steam distillation of flowers of Neroli. It has some amazing properties as well. It's an antidepressant, aphrodisiac, antiseptic, bactericidal, cordial, carminative, disinfectant, antispasmodic, a deodorant. It helps with digestion. It's emollient, sedative, and a tonic substance also. Neroli can be used topically, and yes, and most importantly, y'all, it is also considered one of the most calming oils. Neroli improves the appearance of skin by reducing scarring, wrinkles, tightens the skin, diminishes the appearance of broken capillaries and other blemishes. This Neroli is the main component to the skin tightening oil we're getting ready to mix up. Because why? Do you really want to know why? I gotta tell you anyway. Neroli is cell regenerating. It contains citral, which tightens the skin, reduces the appearance of scars and broken capillaries, and the aroma is intensely floral, citrusy, and sweet and exotic. I love that. Now, y'all, let me get to this recipe before y'all like click off of this video. Don't do it. If you're gonna click anything, click the like button right now. So I have everything I need. I have my container where I'm going to store this wonderful oil in. I have my tablespoon as well, and a funnel, because we want to make sure we get every drop in here. So let me just pop that in like so. We're going to be starting off with jojoba oil. All of the links will be in the description box for you. Don't ever worry about that, okay? Let me tell you about jojoba oil while I put in 3 tablespoons of this into my little container right here.
Jojoba oil contains many essential fatty acids, powerful antioxidants, and vitamins. Jojoba oil is naturally gentle and non-irritating, making it perfect for basically every skin type. It balances oily skin, soothes sensitive skin, hydrates dry skin. It doesn't clog pores or worsen acne problems. Instead, it actually eliminates acne eruption and prevents it from creating scars. If you apply it on the scars, it will help improve collagen production by improving your blood circulation underneath the skin.
And now we're going to put in 5 drops of the Neroli essential oil. Now, I've told you pretty much all about the Neroli, and that is perfect. And it smells so fragrant. Next, we'll be adding in frankincense. Now let me just share with you some great details about frankincense. Yes, all it takes is 3 drops of frankincense.
Frankincense is a mild oil, and most people can actually apply it directly to the skin, neat, without any issues. Frankincense is great to diminish the signs of aging.
Perfect. Next, we'll be adding in 4 drops of carrot seed oil.
The benefits of carrot seed oil include antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-cancer qualities due to the bioflavonoids it contains. Because of its antioxidant content, carrot seed oil is an ingredient in a natural sunscreen product and may offer some sun protection as well as skin repairing to dry and damaged skin.
I will just give it a shake. And now what you have here is a skin tightening anti-aging oil blend. This oil is going to have relaxing properties in it that's going to work on the skin at the cellular level. It's going to be especially helpful for mature or sensitive skin. You're looking at a rejuvenating effect on the skin, and it's going to help stimulate the growth of healthy new cells. You're talking about toning and tightening the skin. This is going to be so useful for wrinkles and sagging skin. It's going to improve the appearance of blemishes and acne scars. Not only that, feel free to use this on stretch marks and scars to help reduce the appearance of those as well. I can even take this up a notch. How about those spider veins and broken capillaries? Move out of the way. We're going to use this oil on those as well. And for my oily skin beautiful babes, it's going to help balance oil production. It moisturizes dry skin and tames oily skin. Ladies, get ready for increased skin elasticity. This wonderful mix is going to regenerate skin cells. And on top of all of that, it is antimicrobial. Now let's get ready to apply this to our face. Make sure you have cleansed your face off. Don't use it on no dirty face. Get all of the makeup off and make sure that you are ready to receive all of this goodness. Oh my, here we go. Just take a little at a time. It's quite potent. And of course you'll smell that Neroli kicking butt. Oh yeah. And one more drop and we're finished. Now, of course, you see I do have it in a dark bottle. Make sure you do that to protect the integrity of the essential oils that you're adding in here. Now, this can be kept up to 30 days or more. I don't think it's going to last that long because you're going to be using this AM and PM. And beautiful babes, every single day you can use it under your makeup as well, along with your moisturizer and your primers, etc. This is perfect for that. We're all about tightening, y'all, because honey, I'm getting ready for a birthday, and baby, your girl got to be looking good. And keep it up. I want to reverse the years. You know, I want to reverse the years, and that is why I'm so intrigued by many of these wonderful oils that are on the market that you can use, that you have access to. All of the links will be below. If you're looking to tighten up, glow up, and get it right, it's now time. We ain't waiting on spring. We're gonna do this now. Yes, we are. Beautiful babes, that is it. I'm getting ready to glow it up some more when I get cute today. So y'all, be sweet. Until next time, this is your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Drop 1,000 likes on this video. Comment hearts, hearts, hearts. Comment 1 heart, comment 2 heart. Comment as many times below as you can. Spam the comments. That's what it's all about. I want to see activity. Activity gets it going right here on the channel. You want more? Give me more. That's what I'm talking about. Each one teach one, baby. And don't keep me a secret. Heck no. Now, this is a good time to run your mouth. Go tell everybody who you're watching right here on YouTube. Your favorite old chick doing YouTube flicks. So please share me with your world and watch some more videos. Yes. Bye.